Hi, I'm Paul Bredwell. I'm with the U.S. Poultry and Egg Association, and today we're here in Perry, Georgia, visiting the Perdue processing facility. We are here visiting them because they are a semi-finalist in the U.S. Poultry Clean Water Award. Melissa, this is Melissa Molaison. Melissa is the wastewater treatment facility operator here. Melissa, thank you for letting us come in today.
It's nice to have you here.
Thank you. Melissa, can you give us a little overall description of what you guys do down here, the facility from the beginning to the end?
Sure. We have 3 facilities on site here. We have a processing facility that processes live poultry. We process about 350,000 birds a day. They average about 5 1/4 pounds apiece, and that generates about 3 million to 3.4 million gallons a day of wastewater for us. We have a cooked foods facility that processes over 300,000 pounds a day of cooked products, and then we also have a distribution facility on site here. So our wastewater treatment plant serves all 3 areas.
And can you give us a little description of the wastewater treatment facility as well?
Sure. It is a biological treatment system. We do pre-treatment of the wastewater through dissolved air flotation or DAF units. Then it goes through an extended aeration period where it's digested biologically, followed by a clarifier, and then UV disinfection before it's direct discharged into a stream.
Is there something here at the facility that you might think is innovative and that you'd like to share?
The PIC system, which is a PLC that controls the polymer dosing on the DAF units, it allows us to adjust our polymer dosages on the DAFs just by using a touch screen to enter the desired milligrams per liter of each polymer. We use a 3 polymer system, so rather than having to do drawdowns for each polymer and back and forth checking on that, we're able to make changes almost instantaneously. It also feeds to a computer in our office that constantly logs what's going on with our DAFs and helps us keep better tabs on our polymer use and on our treatment process.
So it's helped your efficiency, obviously.
Much more efficient. It saves us a lot of man hours, and it saves us a significant amount of money on chemical costs.
Can you kind of describe your lab here, because it seems to me that this is a pretty substantial lab and maybe a little bit more outside what you would typically see at a wastewater treatment facility in the poultry industry?
We started building the lab about 3.5 years ago, and we have used equipment from other facilities, from Showell and from Defuniac, and also spent money and purchased new equipment where necessary. And now we actually have the ability to do all of our laboratory analysis for our wastewater system in-house, including our compliance analysis. We still send our soils and our sludge to an outside lab, but other than that, we do everything in-house, which is wonderful because it gives us almost instant feedback on a lot of the tests that can be done quickly. If we're afraid that there could be something, non-compliant in our effluent, we can know really quickly.
Well, we sure appreciate you letting us come in today and tour your facility, and we wish you all the luck in the competition.
Well, we've enjoyed having you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.